been working on my Welsh as well, haven't I? Dwi'n, caru, too.
Perfect.
Oh, cute!
Islanders, it's time for the ultimate relationship test. Hashtag parental guidance, hashtag meet the in-laws.
No. Oh, no! Wait, leave it like this or tie it up?
Leave it like that.
Oh, Mum and Daddy! Mae hynna mor weird.
O, mae Sue mor
Oh,
lyflu.
so excited di. Mae'n siŵr bod am mor excited. O, dwi'n meddwl bod di'n mynd i grio.
O, hwnna'n reit emosiynol, dwi'n meddwl. O'n i'n gallu teimlo am hun yn llenwi fyny yn hwnna hefyd.
O, mae'n crio!
Ti'n iawn, Hef?
Dwi'n iawn.
You're right, Hef!
You said to me, Mum, okay, the two things you can't really do is smoke and have sex, and I did it in the first week, and I was just thinking, oh my gosh, like, they're going to kill me.
I wasn't bothered about sex. On paper, he's not her type. He doesn't really remind me of any of her other boyfriends at all, which I think is a good thing.
Mae'n bleser i cyfarfod ti.
Mae'n bleser i gyfarfod ti hefyd.
Dwi'n mewn cariad gyda dy fer.
Ni wedi bod yn ymarfer hwnna.
Mae hynny mor cute!
Dysgwr y flwyddyn, Steddfod Môn.
Oedd o mor neis gweld rhieni Amber yn mynd fewn a clywed acen mam hi mor gry o dimbych. Oedd o mor neis just gweld Cem yn siarad Cymraeg hefo dad Amber, a mae'n siŵr bod hynna wedi meddwl gymaint iddo fo.
So excited. We're gonna go Essex and we're gonna go Wales.
Oh,
wow.
Wales is waiting for you.
Yes, please.
Islanders, please gather around the fire pit immediately.
Dyma ni.
Black attack.
The second couple safe and through to the final is Kem and Amber.
Dwi'n excited dros hynny.
Dwi'n dal mae'n clywed na Amber a Cem di fel originals.
Dwi'n a mae Chris efo'r botel.
O, wythio?
Da ni'n gorau fotio hwn. Iawn.
Voted. Fysa? Dwi'n meddwl na nhw bron 100% na nhw wneith ennill. Go for it, enjoy it, in it for the win.